Welcome back to another Salesforce Mastery Study Group. This is our second session in this line of questions, and we're going through 10 questions that you would expect to see on the App Builder exam, on the Salesforce Administrator exam, and on the Salesforce Associate exam. So follow along, and we're going to learn some more Salesforce today. Question number 1. A company has two major sales teams, and each team has its own unique sales process. What is the best way to ensure that the sales representatives have access to only the opportunity stages relevant to their sales process? A. Record types, B. Page layouts, C. Roles, or D. A multi-select pick list. The answer for this one is A. Record types. Record types allow for the customization of pick lists and page layouts, and even the customization rules of each team's sales process. Number 2. A Salesforce admin needs to import new leads from a Dreamforce event and needs to assign ownership based on country. Some of the leads may already be in the system. Which of two actions should be taken to meet this requirement? Choose 2 of the best 4. The answers are B and D. Using Data Import Wizard to match leads by email is suitable because it can identify existing leads. By setting up an assignment rule, you can ensure leads are imported from the trade show are automatically assigned to the appropriate owner. Question number 3. The marketing team wants to email each lead they received from their website. The country of origin will be used by the incoming lead to determine the language of the email that will be sent. How can the Salesforce administrator automate this process? The correct answer? Option B. By creating an email template for each language expected and set up an auto response rule, the admin can automate this process. Question 5. A Salesforce administrator for Wendy's wants to allow internal users to view a dashboard for a sales manager within a given sales region. How can this be configured? A. Create a dashboard with multiple components. B. Create a dashboard for all opportunities in the region. C. Create a dashboard to run as the logged in user, or D. Create a dashboard to run as a specified user. And the answer is D. Create a dashboard to run as a specified user allows the admin to define the user whose perspective the dashboard should display. Question 6. A company has an important report folder that is shared with a small group of management users who are on a Lightning experience. The administrator needs to prevent these users from customizing the information in the reports. What should the administrator do to achieve this goal? A. Run the report as a specified user. B. Change the field level security. C. Utilize custom report types. Or D. Lock the report filters. And the correct answer is D. Lock the report filters. Locking report filters prevents users from modifying the report or parameters, ensuring that the information remains consistent and accurate for all users accessing the report. Question 7. The VP of Sales requested that negotiation be added as a new opportunity stage. The administrator added this new pick list value to the stage field, but found out the new value was not available for users. What should the administrator do? A. Ensure that the limit of 10 stage values was not exceeded. B. Ensure the new value was marked as active. C. Add the new value to the appropriate record type. Or D. Add the new value to the appropriate sales process. And the answer is D. The new opportunity stage may not have been added to the correct sales process, resulting in a missing requested value. It's important to check where these new values are added and to make sure that these are valid answers. I don't think there's a limit of 10 values per stage, and I'm not sure if stages have to be marked active or not, so those are out. Question 8. What options are available when subscribing or scheduling a dashboard refresh? Select 2 of these options. View and remove a scheduled dashboard refresh. B. Send a refresh notification to users with access to the dashboard. C. Define refresh times for specific dashboard components. Or D. Schedule the dashboard to refresh in a different time zone. Answers are A and B. You can subscribe to dashboards to refresh them on a daily schedule, daily, weekly, or monthly, that is set by the owner or the administrator. Question number 9. The support team has asked the admin to create a guided process that allows the rep to use scripted screens to collect the appropriate information. Which tool should the admin use? A. Approval processes, B. Flow builder, C. Process builder, or D. Workflow rules. And the answer is B. Screen flows are designed to create guided processes with screen flows to collect information, making it the most suitable automation for this task. Question 10. What are the capabilities of Chatter? Choose 3 answers. Receive updates related to records. Share updates, files, and links with leads and contacts. Receive recommendations for users and records to follow. Follow people within Salesforce. Or post updates, files, and links to Chatter pages. And the right answers: receive updates, follow people, and post updates. Chatter allows users to receive updates related to records that they follow people within Salesforce orgs, and post updates, files, and links to Chatter pages. It doesn't let them post to leads and contacts, and they don't receive recommendations for users. That's the conclusion. That's number 10. I hope you guys have a good one, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.